Simplify. Write all answers using radical notation. Assume all variables represent positive numbers. The cube root of 4w times the cube root of 4v squared. So first, let's combine the 4w and 4v squared under one radical. So this would be the cube root of, well, 4 times 4 is 16, and then we would have v squared times w. Since we have a cube root, we're looking to rewrite this in any fashion that has perfect cubes. For example, 16. We can write that as 8 times 2, 8 being a perfect cube. Then the v squared and w remain as is. And now we can say that this is equal to the cube root of 8 times the cube root of 2v squared w. And now the cube root of 8 is 2, so our final answer would be 2 times the cube root of 2v squared w.